Hello, everyone. My name is Heather Clarke. I am currently not in field placement. However, I am a senior family service specialist. I work for Child Protective Services for the state of Delaware. I currently work in a treatment unit. I help work with families and their children for reunification services to help establish safety in abuse and neglect situations. I do this by case planning with individuals, helping them establish resources within the community in order to do that. Um, and I'm hoping by this trauma course, this will help me learn more about what the families and what the children are going through. And although the children are experiencing most of the trauma, I know that the parents not being with their children are experiencing trauma, being away from them. And I also think that it will also help me further implement maybe how to help the families move better in a positive manner and maybe help understand the situation and also help understand what their children are going through, because even if the parents may have not inflicted the abuse or neglect on their children, they may not know how to help their children and may not understand the trauma that their children have been through. My future goal after obtaining my master's degree is to become a licensed clinical social worker. So I think that this course that is specified in trauma will definitely help with that, because I'd like to enter into some counseling, and obviously that is going to be a piece that is definitely going to come up. And I know that some counselors specialize in trauma, so and maybe something that I'm not sure if I would want to specialize in, but it's definitely an option. But it would also give me an insight to what topics may be brought up. And I know that when trauma is kind of brought up, there is kind of a boundary of when other professionals need to step in and take on that particular type of trauma. So I certainly look forward to learning all about that in this course, and I look forward to meeting everyone, and good luck to everyone as well.